We are back at home now. We got some snipes. Now I'm going to show you guys how to clean them up, and then I'll show you how to cook them. Y'all ready, Peg? Y'all ready to clean them up? Yeah, y'all ready? Get down. Cleaning these birds is super easy. There isn't much meat on them. I don't even use a knife usually, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and then I'll show you one way how I like to cook them. This is really easy to do, and you don't even need a knife. So first thing I do is rip the wings right off, break the bone, and rip the wings off. Body, and then you peel up the skin, exposing the breast meat, and then you simply just put your finger and your thumb in the top and just pull the rest away, and that's what you get. Nothing to it. And I kept the heart in there as well. Can eat those. This is what it looks like again. This wing's already broken. Break the wings off. Peel the skin off the breast meat, and that's it. Just super simple. And I usually leave the breast meat on the rib cage, and then that way, depending on how I'm going to cook it, I can either fillet the meat off or leave it on. Next, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite ways to cook these little guys. And they're so tasty, tastes like steak. Alright, we're in the kitchen now, and I'm going to show you guys one way that I like to use to cook these babies up. Okay, I got my birds right here. Small knife and a cutting board, and I'm going to go ahead and fillet the breasts off the rib cage. I got a small fillet knife here. Got the heart there. Small fillet knife here, and you can see the sternum right down the middle. Start there and just work your knife along the rib cage along the whole way. And just like that. Got 2 pieces done there. And we'll get the rest of these done. Alright, now we got the breast meat off the rib cage. We got a couple hearts in there too. Next, we're gonna need some flour. This happens to be spelt flour. Got curry powder, garlic powder, and salt, and some avocado oil. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up a medium-sized saucepan to about medium-high heat. So I got my spelt flour here. I'm just going to put some salt in that, a little garlic powder, and a little curry powder. Mix that up. And that's mixed up good. Now I just throw my snipe right in there. Make sure I'm coating both sides evenly. Pull them out like that. And they're ready to go. Okay, next is put a little avocado in this pan that's warming up. Don't use much, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And we're going to let that heat up for a minute, and then we're going to throw our snipes in the pan. And then we're just going to cook these at medium-high heat. So brown on both sides, should be cooked all the way through then, and we'll enjoy. Okay, these birds are done. Get them off the pan. And let's have a look here. All the way through. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you already aren't, and I'll see you in the next video.